So we wanted to keep our meals easy, so we weren't spending a whole lot of time cooking. So we decided to do campfire nachos. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. It's gonna be super simple. So earlier today, we put some chicken in the crock pot just with a little bit of taco seasoning and a can of green chilies. We cooked that all day and then just took a couple of forks and shredded it up. So in some disposable pans so we can throw them away, we're gonna layer some chips, any kind of chips will work, into the pan. All right, there's 4 of us, so we're just doing enough for the 4 of us. And then we're going to take the chicken that we cooked earlier today and we're just gonna put that all over the actual nachos. Now we're just gonna cover all of that generously with some shredded cheddar cheese. Of course, for nachos, you can use whatever toppings you like. I'm gonna put some black olives on these because we like those, but you can also do chopped tomatoes, chopped onions. A lot of people like jalapenos. So just top them with whatever nacho toppings you like. So the last thing you're gonna do is just cover them up with tinfoil, but be sure to make a little bit of a tent as you're covering them up so that the cheese doesn't stick to the top of the tinfoil. We're gonna put them on the fire, but not in the direct heat because we don't want to burn them. Everything's just kind of gonna melt together. All right. So good. So good. Ooh, yum.